So I'm Beattie Sturgill, Business Development Manager with Indoor Biotechnologies Incorporated, located in Charlottesville, Virginia. So here at Indoor Biotechnologies, we manufacture highly purified allergen proteins, as well as immunoassays for allergen diagnostic companies, immunotherapy companies, as well as industrial hygiene and indoor air quality specialists. Many small to medium-sized businesses, resources can be limited, primarily the resource of time. Our reaching out to GenEdge was recommended to us by a colleague as a method to help us outsource some of our business and market research needs to help us accomplish that, where we didn't necessarily have the time to thoroughly do it on our own. Problem we had, we were developing a product for a completely new market of ours that we were exploring penetrating. And the problem we had was we didn't really understand the size of the market and specifically in that market, what area we needed to focus on. So through our phase 1 contract with GenEdge, we were able to come up with a sales and commercialization plan for this potential new product that helped us narrow the scope and come up with a tangible plan that helped us to focus to the commercialization plan. We have a semi-concrete path forward for the next 5 years if we wanted to pursue that, this new product it's a roadmap of what we would need to do, which again, for our internal team to come up with something like that, it wasn't feasible in terms of a time commitment for us to pursue that. So to have the experts at GenEdge help us with that made it very feasible and something that would have been very difficult for us to pull off on our own. I think another thing is it's just the process of putting together the commercialization plan was a great experience for us here and a learning experience of thinking outside of our box and what we typically do here. And it helped us, gain experience and knowledge in preparing that commercialization plan that is going to help us re-examine current products, current manufacturing processes, and future products as well.